Have you ever spent hours building awesome automations, but then got stuck trying to find someone who's actually willing to pay for them? The truth is, most people sit around waiting for clients to magically appear. When in reality, your ideal clients are already out there. They're posting on Instagram, they're crying for help on LinkedIn, and they're getting ignored in Facebook groups. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find local businesses that are desperately in need of automations, and how you can reach out in a way that's simple, human, and that actually converts. And the best part? You don't have to be a pushy salesperson or build some complex software. You just need to know where to look and how to approach them with a simple solution that feels like it was made just for them. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn smart ideas into real online income. If you're into automation, digital marketing, and building systems that make you money without working 24/7, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. I drop straight to the point content every single week. Let's get right into it. How to find these local businesses and offer them your automations the right way. So first, why local businesses? Because they're busy, overwhelmed, they're buried in manual tasks, and often don't even realize there are affordable tools like Make.com, Tally, Notion, or Zapier that could save them hours every week. They don't want a complex system. They just need something that saves them 5 hours a week and works without headaches, and you can be the person who delivers that. Now let's get practical. Step 1. Hunting on Instagram. Instagram is a storefront where thousands of small business owners show what they do best, but also accidentally expose everything that's going wrong behind the scenes. And that's where your golden opportunity is hiding. Most people think selling automations means building complicated software, spending months learning to code, or trying to sell to tech startups. But the truth? There are local businesses right now in the US that only need one thing: a working booking system. And you can build that with Make.com and a free form. So how do you find these people? The answer: smart hashtags. Forget generic tags like # small business. You want localized, niche-specific hashtags where the pain is visible. Perfect examples: Miami makeup artist, Austin barbershop, Dallas, realtor, Chicago lash tech, Houston nutrition coach. These hashtags are used by real active businesses that are serving clients every week and using content to attract more. So what do? You open these profiles and analyze them like a detective. This isn't about aesthetics, it's about operations. Check the bio. Is there a booking link? Is it working? Or is it just DM me to book? That's money being left on the table every single day. Check the posts. Are there client comments asking things like, "Do you have anything open this Friday?" And no reply? Here's a real example. A barbershop in Austin with 9,000 followers. A comment says, "Can I book for this weekend?" No response. Then you go to the stories, and the owner is venting that their DMs are overflowing and they're burned out. Sound familiar? They have demand, but no system. That's where you come in. They don't want a marketing course. They don't need a CRM with 20 dashboards. They just want to stop losing clients because they can't respond fast enough. Here's something crucial. Match their language. If their content is relaxed, full of slang, and behind-the-scenes chaos, your message should match that energy. Example: "Hey, love your vibe here. I help local businesses automate bookings and reminders. If you're tired of juggling DMS, I've got a 5-minute fix. Want to see it?" If the profile is more professional, polished, and business-focused. "Hi, I specialize in helping service-based businesses like yours streamline client bookings with no-code automations. I'd love to show you a quick example. It's super simple, but makes a huge difference." Adapting your tone is what turns a cold DM into an interested response. But don't just scroll randomly. Build a prospecting funnel using real public data. Create a simple spreadsheet. Username, profile link, niche, city, visible issues, e.g. no link, DM only, late replies. Contact status: not contacted, messaged, replied, booked. With this, you stop looking like a random freelancer and start acting like a strategist. Now let's talk about niche segmentation. You can split your prospecting into groups like beauty and aesthetics, lash techs, makeup artists, estheticians, microblading artists. Common issues: booking by DM, manual reminders, no-shows fitness and wellness, coaches, personal trainers, nutritionists. Common issues: no funnel, inconsistent follow-ups, unstructured payments, local services, pet groomers, tattoo studios, home repair providers. Common issues: quotes by text, no system, scheduling chaos. Each niche has patterns. The more you understand them, the more precise your pitch becomes. Instagram is also your behavior radar. Watch their stories. Are they overwhelmed? Are they replying to clients using voice messages? Are they reposting canceled appointments? That's a business that's screaming for automation. And this is where you shine. You're not offering a $2,000 consulting package. You're offering something light, affordable, and invisible, but powerful. A few example systems: Tallyform auto email calendar sync reminder 24 hours before CRM in Notion Typeform. Google Sheets, WhatsApp via Twilio, PandaDoc, Contract. These take 30 to 60 minutes to set up, and you can sell them for $250, $500, or even $750 depending on the value you deliver, and if you include video walkthroughs or support. But what if they see your message and don't reply? Here's the secret. Most freelancers give up after one message, but the real conversions happen in the follow-up. Message them again 48 hours later with something like, "Totally get it if now's not a good time. Just thought I'd circle back. I've helped a few other lash techs, barbers, coaches this month set up super simple booking systems that save them hours. No pressure, just let me know if you're curious." It's casual, no pressure, but it reminds them that you solve real problems. And sometimes they didn't reply because they were just buried in work. That second message, that's what reactivates interest. If you want to scale this, here's a simple weekly game plan. Monday to Friday, pick 2 cities and 2 niches per day. Scan 15 to 20 profiles per hashtag. Save the most promising ones. Send 5 personalized DMs per day. Follow up 48 hours later. Schedule calls or send a quick demo video of your automation working. In just 2 weeks, you'll have 100 profiles reviewed, 50 qualified leads, 10 to 15 active conversations, 3 to 5 potential sales, and it all started with typing a hashtag on Instagram. There's no shortage of opportunity, just a lack of method. And now you've got one. Step 2. Finding local business owners on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is completely underrated when it comes to finding local business owners, especially the ones that are actually serious about growth. Most freelancers avoid LinkedIn because it feels corporate or too formal. That's your advantage. Here's what you do. Go to the search bar and type roles like studio owner, health and wellness coach, realtor, pet grooming business owner, med spa director, fitness studio manager. Then use filters by location. Cities like Austin, Miami, Charlotte, or San Diego. This way, you're targeting local service-based entrepreneurs who manage daily operations, not big companies or agencies. When you find someone that fits your ideal client profile, send a simple connection request like, "Hey Sarah, I help local business owners automate their booking and client follow-ups. Happy to share an example if you're ever curious." No links, no pitch. Just curiosity and clarity. If they accept, you follow up with, "Thanks for connecting." I recently built a quick system for a wellness coach in Austin that handles bookings, reminders, and client intake. Totally automated. Let me know if you'd like a quick demo video. It's super simple. That's it. Keep the tone professional, but casual. Bonus tip. You can also post simple, helpful content to your own LinkedIn feed. Example. Automated a client booking workflow this week that saved 6+ hours per month for a small fitness studio in Dallas. No code, just Tally plus Make.com plus Notion. This builds authority and turns passive views into inbound interest. Step 3. Getting clients through Facebook groups without being pushy. Facebook might not be cool anymore, but small business owners are still using it every day. especially in niche or location-specific groups. Here's the playbook. 1. Search for groups like Women Entrepreneurs in Texas, Small Business Owners USA, Online Coaches and Healers, Pet Business Network US, MedSpa Owners Support Group. 2. Join the group. Read the rules. Don't pitch, contribute. 3. Look for questions like, how do you manage client bookings? Anyone use a CRM that's easy? I'm drowning in DMs. Help? Those posts are gold mines. Reply with real value, offer tips, share your process, then send a friendly DM. Hey Jessica, saw your post in the group. I build automation systems for small business owners. If you want, I can show you a workflow that books clients and sends reminders automatically. It's simple, no tech headaches. You're helping, not pitching. That's the key. You can also create your own post once allowed. Like, if you're still doing your bookings manually, I made a super simple automation with Make.com that handles it all. If anyone wants a free template, let me know and I'll send it over. That kind of post brings inbound leads right to your inbox. Turning interest into sales without selling. Let's say someone replies, "Yes, show me." Don't over-explain. Instead, have a simple demo ready. Either a Loom video or a screen recording that walks through what the automation does, what problem it solves, how it saves time. Keep it under 3 minutes. Make it feel like you've done this before. Then say, I usually offer this as a plug-and-play setup for $250, or $500 if you want me to include a video walkthrough and 30-day support. Would you prefer to learn how to use it yourself or have it delivered, done for you? Give them 2 doors, self-service or full service. That approach feels helpful, not salesy. And most busy business owners will take the done-for-you option, especially if it's under $500. Building a multi-channel lead funnel without getting overwhelmed. Here's the beauty of it all. You don't need to rely on just one platform. With 3 simple daily habits, you can keep a steady stream of leads without ads or cold calls. 1. Instagram. 5 profile DMs per day using hashtags. 2. LinkedIn. 3 connection requests plus 1 short post per day. 3. Facebook groups. 1 helpful comment or post per day. It takes 30 minutes total and compounds fast. Bonus automation tip. Use Notion or Google Sheets as a lead tracker and connect it to Make.com to send yourself reminders, schedule follow-ups, or even send automatic email intros if someone fills out a form. This is how you go from freelancer looking for clients to consultant managing a real system. If you want the step-by-step guide with copy-paste DMs, templates, and workflows, check the pinned comment below. You'll find the local automation prospecting blueprint ready for you. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell, and drop a comment below. Which of these platforms are you going to start exploring today? Thanks for watching all the way through. And as always, let's make it profitable.